Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new tutorials. Today not for the Illustrator tutorial, not Photoshop tutorial. Today is essential tutorial for you guys, just because of if we go to the just photo editing or designing, we need some stock image, stock icons, stock mockups. That means the free mockups, free PNG formats, files and other things. So I just enlisted 10 website, those who are giving you free of cost the photography, the designing and the icons and the stock photos and stock brushes, like the Photoshop brushes and stock everything, and you are getting this one free of cost by log in or sign up that just websites. So let's start. At first, number one, Freepik. Freepik is a site, that website you are getting all the free things, but you have to log in. You have to download first 50 items, and after that you have to log in. So I just log in here. So here is the home options, and you can search anything over here, browse popular vectors or browse latest vectors. You can search over there, and then you're getting all the things like that. Let's see the categories. Suppose you want to get some logo, like logo, so write down logo and you'll get some logo suggestion, those who are free. Here is as well as the premium things. If you want to get the premium, you have to check it out. That means that you have to give the check mark and it will reload again and it will show you the premium things. When getting the just crown sign, the corner, left top corner, that means that is the premium things that you can buy anything over here. And here is the selection. If you select this one and uncheck this one, okay, that means you are getting the free things, free items. That means the S is for the selection, that means the free items. And here is the item types. Suppose if you want to get the icon, then you have to check it out. That means the tick button, PSD format or photos. Suppose if I give the PSD format, then it will reload and give you all the free mockups over there. If I just uncheck this one and give the vector, this portion, all the vector things, that means the Illustrator EPS format, it will show you. That means this one is a free of cost you are getting. So how to download from here? Suppose I want to download this one, so suppose this one, it will open up in another window, and here is the free download options. If you press here, it will just free download options and premium download. Just free download options, it will take some times and start downloading your items. So number two, Unsplash. Okay, Unsplash, the previous one, that means the Freepik was the all the things. You can download the vector files, you can download the photography, you can download the PSD mockup files, and you can download the icons. So now time for the stock image. This one is the unsplash.com. You can get all kinds of photography, stock photography. So suppose you want to get some nature, that means NATURE, nature. If you write down over here, okay, it will show you all the result over there. The download process is too much easy. Here is the down arrow key, just press here, it will start download and you save it in your drive. So Unsplash, lots of things. Here is the package, and here is other things, wallpapers. If you want to download the wallpapers, here the community store. And make sure that please read down the license of the website. Any kind of website, when you are using the stock image, stock photos, stock icons, please read down the license item, license agreement, so it will help you out to do your just using purpose, and it will just align with the using purpose, where you can use, where you can't use these things. So number 3 website is the flat icon. So flat icon is a sister concern or align with the Freepik, and those who are the designer, UX designer, especially UX designer, this is the best thing or best website for download the icons. Here is the options. If you download the pack of the icon, please select here packs, and the same thing, if you want to get the premium icons, you can select this, and you will get the premium just icons. If you want to get the download of the free icons, select here, you can get the free items from here, free packs. But if you want to download the pack, suppose package of icons, you have to must log in. You have to log in must. Okay, now time for the Brush Hazy. Brush Hazy is that website. You can download the vectors, you can download the brushes from the Photoshop, and you can download all the things, categories. Here is the categories: popular, new graphics, that means those are the vector, and new graphics. Here is the options, free options and the free and premium, both options. So you can download brushes, suppose Cloud Brush. If you search it from the Cloud Brush, it will show you lots of cloud Photoshop brushes, and this download process is same as the Freepik. Suppose you want to download this Cloud Brush, just select here, it will open up in another window, and free download. It will take 3 or 5 seconds, and it will give you the output, and you can save it in your drive. So this one is the for brush and other things you can download. And now DaVinci. DaVinci.com is a huge resources website, and you can get all the things, and it's quite tough to use, just because of this one is a tricky to search your items in this website. You have to apply the tricks, so I'll show you how to apply that tricks. Here is the categories. At first you have to select the categories. Suppose I want to download some stock photos, resource and stock image. You have to download or select this one. Here is the search option. If you go the DaVinci, this one is the home button and ordinary home button, and then here is the options, popular all the times. You have to select this one, and then if you want to search anything, suppose I want to download sunset. Okay, if you give the search sunset, and you have to just clarify which type of sunset you want. Suppose I want to download the stock image, so you have to select the resource and stock image, and here is the another sub menu. That means here is the stock image. You have to select, that means the stock image will appear in this screen, and the nature, it is belong to the nature category, so you have to select this one. And landscape, you want to landscape other or the waterscape. If you press the waterscape, that means the sea beach and the sunset, it will appear, and the landscape, if you give, then the landscape sunset will appear. So this one is the customization option to search in a DaVinci. Suppose I want to download the brush, so brush, but in these options you are not getting the brush. You have to go to the stock resource and stock image, this portion, and you have to select the category. Which category? Suppose this one is the resource, application resource, so you have to select the application resource. But which application? This one is the Photoshop brushes, that means Photoshop brushes. Then you will get the Photoshop brushes for your work. That means those are the brushes. You can download this one. So the download process is like that. Suppose I want to download this brush, just select here, it will open up in new window. If this one is free, you can appear here the download options, and if this one is paid version, then here will appear the purchase option. So you can download the free version, free things, and just premium thing. It's up to you. So DeviantArt. So now time for another stock image options, the Pixabay. Now time for another resource website, that is the pixabay.com. You have to log in here to download your photos and stock image. Here is the categories like that: the photo, vector graphics, illustration. Suppose I just select the illustration options. You have to search it, like randomly you can search it. So illustration will appear. Suppose Pixabay, I want to get the vector graphics, so search it here. Okay, the vector graphics will appear. Suppose I want to download this one, select this one, and here is the options to download, free download, and you can buy from here. Please just read down the agreement of this one, Pixabay. And mainly stock image, you can download any kind of stock image. Suppose you want to download this one, just select here the free download, and how many resolution you need, you can select this one and download this one. If you want, you can just donate something. Here is the options to donate here, or you can, if you want, if you're interested to donate, please check out here. Now time for the font. The DaFont is a like nice site for the font download. That means here is the category to get the font. Suppose the fancy type fonts, the foreign look fonts, techno type fonts, bitmap, gothic, basic, script, and all the things here, and the holidays. Suppose I want to download the calligraphy, so you will get the calligraphy type fonts, only the calligraphy type fonts. And if you need to download the sans serif, and you can get here, just select this category and you will get the sans serif type fonts, and you can download it free of cost. So this one is the font collection from dafont.com. Just download here, place the download over here, and it will start the download. But before that, you need to check out how many things or how many characters are there. So here is the options in this, and here is another options here. Check out your text, how will be. Suppose I'm just selecting here, yeah, it will show you how will be if you write down with this font. And then the Google font, this one is a popular thing to get the free fonts from here, like this, and you are getting these fonts from here. And here is also the categories. Suppose you want to get only the serif font, you can tick mark this one, serif font will appear. If you download the more than one font types, select the plus options, it will just get here, and then select this one and select this one, and 3 fonts just added in this list, and you can download all the things in at a time. If you want to download the mockups free of cost, and if you want to buy that, you can do that. So here is the site, the mockupworld.co. That means you can download anything. You can download any kind of mockup. Suppose I want to paper and just download the paper like that. You can just search it and you can download this one. And suppose like that, the notepad and other things. And how to download that? Just select this one and it will open up in new window, and here is the download button. Just download, press here. It will take time to get your download ready, and it will start download. And then another website, website, that is for the mockup, and lots of mockup collection in this website and all the customized mockup. Here is the types like this one. Suppose you can search over there, or you can just scroll it down. Suppose I want to download this mockup. How to download? Yeah, please read down all the things if you want or interested. Here is the options, the download options. So it will take time to get ready your download, and this one is the download page. Here is the download options. You can like and share with this element and the content as well, and you will get this one free of cost. So I think if you are a creative person, and if you are a designer, if you are a photographer, you need these type of things for free resources. Sometimes we can't buy anything from the website for our financial crisis, or the bindings of the transaction of financial transaction type case. You need to download something free, like icon or stock photo. If you want to get a presentation or make a presentation, you need some stock photo. You don't have time to go to outside and take the photographs, and you can download stock image from the Pixabay or Unsplash, like that. Suppose the same cases. So I think this one is the 10 website, and it will help you out a lot to make your life easier. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. Hope that you enjoyed this video, and hope that it will help you out more. And don't forget to give the feedback in my video comment section. And if you have